New York-based Jamaican author Tilsa Wright has recently joined forces with screenwriter Quera to adapt her Starboy books for the screen, and they join us now to tell us about this collaborative work. Good morning and welcome to you both. So Tilsa is in the screen, zooming, and Quera is here. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm all right. How are you?
I'm very well. So tell me about this project. First, it was selected for Black Girls Rock in July. That's exciting. Who wants to tell me about that first?
Tilsa, you want to
That would be me.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Simone.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm well. Go ahead.
So, I had one of my colleagues here. She sent me the link to submit early July, actually late June, to Black Girls Rock Film Festival. Is their very first film festival that they've hosted this July in Washington, D.C. And I just did it on a whim. And next thing I know, they selected it and they really loved it. Prior to that, the animation about the book, Starboy, won Best Romance Film from another film festival based in New York. So it's just been on a roll.
Okay. So, Quera, tell me how you felt when you heard this was going to be happening.
Okay, so Tilsa hit me up. She said I was recommended by someone to write the screenplay for her, which was a surprise to me.
Why?
Well, because I've never produced film work before. I've written scripts, but for the most part, I've written for stage. So when she asked me, I was really happy and excited because I thought that here's this amazing opportunity to create something unique. And I think that was what was the most exciting about coming into this project, because it's something that the creative space hasn't seen as yet.
Give us the Cliff Notes version, summary.
Well, Til's like, okay, so sure. So so it's about this Jamaican cricketer, and he falls in love with this wonderful woman, but he has his temptations, and she has to decide whether or not she's able to take that on. So that's the Cliff Notes.
You're not telling no more. Does he act on those temptations?
We'll see. He is a star boy, so we'll see.
Quera said no more. So tell us about what has happened in the collaboration, and when are we looking forward to seeing the manifestation, Tilsa?
Well, I just can't say the production company, but I'm very major film production head here in America. Recently signed myself and Shakira. They're considering our work to produce it. Very major. So I just can't say too much, but that's what's in the works.
But that's very exciting.
Very exciting.
Well, that's cute. Tell me.
We're happy. But
Especially because trying to keep it low, Quera said no.
But we are happy. We can't say why we're happy exactly, but that was not the initial intention at all. The intention was to produce quality work for the Jamaican space, but there is the potential for more, and that is something that we're really happy about. And excited.
So this has a potential to propel somebody into a space, some bodies into spaces that can be game changing.
Yeah. Yes, me.
No, when I come on to Jamaica this morning, I'm going to try to interview, and it's pure cryptic responses that I'm getting. What's happening here, Tilsa?
Well,
I get it.
Let me just highlight a few people who I've collaborated with in Jamaica. As a New York-based author, it has been my pleasure to work with female in Jamaica talents like Carla Moore. In the animation, she plays the role of Tanya. And then you have Jane McGizmo, who's a recording artist in Jamaica. The song in the animation, Black Skin, that's her production. So over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with some underground talents. And my hope is once this major production company signs Shakira and I, we could lend more visibility to unknown talents in Jamaica.
All right. I'm going to leave it right there. Well, largely because I'm out of time, but also largely because you guys can't tell me anything more either. But we are listening. Our ear is to the ground. You've cued us in that something exciting is about to happen. And so when it does, can you come back and speak more fully? Of
course, and then we'll tell you everything about the project.
Appreciate that so much, because I feel this morning like I was playing hide and
But we would say just read the book Starboy, written by Tilsa, an amazing work, and look out for that on the big screen.
Okay, and where do we find the book, Tilsa?
It's on Amazon and Kindle.
Okay. Awesomeness. Thank you, ladies. I'm very excited. And I don't even know what I'm excited about, but I'm excited anyway. New York-based Jamaican author Tilsa Wright. And screenwriter Quera. So thank you so much. We're back with a fun stop right after this break, everybody. Soon come.